Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video, and look what I found. This is VANS Vision Voyage Era 3A 10.5 US man and 12 US woman, UK 9.5. I've actually bought this in August of 2020 and completely forgot about it, and I found it only today. So I bought this from the JD Malaysia website, JD Sports Malaysia website. It comes with a bag, yellow bag, and it cost me ringgit Malaysia 110.60 cents. So what's inside? Okay, so Vans off the wall. It's quite unique. So it's like three stuck on one of the other three labels. It's cloth, Vans. Yeah, and so I'm not sure where this is made. Okay, made in Vietnam. Okay, very nice, very unique. It's not that light. Okay, thanks for watching.